video, we are going to see about the rice crop. The rice is one of the most prevalent crop throughout the world. Rice is called as Oryza sativa, which is in diploid condition that has 24 chromosomes in 2n condition. Talking about general characteristics, habitat, it was adapted to the aquatic environment due to large intercellular spaces, and habit, it's an herbaceous annual grass which grows about 30 to 150 cm tall. Coming about the roots, they are seminal and adventitious, whereas stems, erect clumps, cylindrical with defined solid nodes and hollow internodes were present in the rice plant. Floral description: Androecium contains 6 stamens in 2 alternating whorls, and anthers were versatile. Filaments were slender. Coming about the gynoecium, ovary was broad, smooth, with a single anatropous oil, 2 styles with the plumose stigmas, while stigmas may be white or purplish in color. And now we are going to see about emasculation and pollination in rice plant in various steps following in the video. Materials required to perform the pollination and emasculation activities: primarily scissor. Forceps, needle. You should also need butter paper cups for preventing cross pollination. Before entering the field, make sure that it consists of all the equipment that were needed to the emasculation and the pollination. First step was to collect the plant with the boot leaf stage. You can observe the boot leaf stage where the flowers were not open still, and you should select a plant in this condition which was suitable for the emasculation operation. And after the selection, at the tip you should remove the upper part, so it favors our emasculation operation. The upper portion was being removed now, and now it was removed, so now it was ready for emasculation operation. In the selected panicle, in each spikelet, the upper portion should be removed such that there will be no damage to the anthers, and ensure that minimum 6 to 10 for each one. Carefully remove such that the anther should not touch the stigma, and if they touch the down, the stigma may be induced and self-pollination may be occurring in the spikelet. You can see in the spikelet the upper portion was being removed such that there will be no damage to the anthers, and carefully remove the upper portion. Now, by using a needle, all the 6 anthers in a spikelet should be removed carefully. You can see Now that each anther was being removed by using a needle, you should ensure that all the 6 anthers should be removed, because leaving any single anther may lead to the self-pollination. After emasculation activity, immediately put the butter paper cup such that there will be no cross pollination, and on the butter paper cup you should note all the details of the plant to avoid confusion in our crossing. Portion. And now the butter cup should be tied using a nylon thread such that there will be no pollen grains entering into the emasculated part. Ensure a tight tie. Select the male parent that should be crossed and cut out the panicle that has pollen grains. To ensure pollination, cut the upper portion of the buttercup paper such that there will be no damage to the emasculated part, and slightly open that paper. And now the pollen grains collected should be deposited on the emasculated part by rubbing in this manner such that all the pollen grains will be falling on the emasculated part, and ensure good rotation of this one so the pollen grains easily comes out. And after that, close the